A. You must be 18 years old to vote in the election. B. You can be 18 years old to vote in the election. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Must is the correct answer because it indicates a requirement or necessity, can suggest ability or possibility, which doesn't apply to legal requirements such as voting age. A. Could you help me move this table, please? B. Will you help me move this table, please? Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Could is the correct answer as it is used to make a polite request for help, will is used for future intentions, not for making requests. A. She cannot decide which dress to wear to the party. B. She cannot decide which dress to wear to the party. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Cannot is the correct answer because it indicates inability or impossibility to make a decision, which is the intended meaning. Cannot, often written as cannot, is a common way to express inability or prohibition in formal writing. A. We might have to cancel the meeting if the boss is sick. B. We will have to cancel the meeting if the boss is sick. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Might is the correct answer because it expresses a possibility contingent on another condition, will imply certainty, which does not fit the uncertain nature of the situation. A. You must not eat in the classroom, it's against the rules. B. You could eat in the classroom, it's against the rules. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Must not is the correct answer as it indicates prohibition, could indicates possibility or past ability, which does not apply to rules or prohibitions. A. They must have arrived at the conclusion after extensive research. B. They can have arrived at the conclusion after extensive research. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Must have is the correct answer because it expresses a strong assumption based on evidence. Can have does not appropriately convey the certainty implied by the evidence of extensive research. A. I would rather stay in tonight than go out. B. I can rather stay in tonight than go out. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Would is the correct answer as it expresses a preference, can indicates ability or possibility, which doesn't fit the context of expressing a preference. A. You ought to apologize if you hurt someone's feelings intentionally. B. You must to apologize if you hurt someone's feelings intentionally. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Ought is the correct answer because it suggests a moral obligation or advice, must indicates a necessity or requirement, which can also be correct but is less specific to moral obligations. A. We should reserve the tickets in advance to avoid disappointment. B. We could reserve the tickets in advance to avoid disappointment. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Should is the correct answer as it suggests a recommendation or advice to take action, could indicates possibility or ability, which is less imperative in this context. A. He could swim very well when he was young. B. He will swim very well when he was young. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Could is the correct answer because it indicates past ability. Will is used for future intentions or promises, not past abilities. A. You must whisper in the library. Speaking loudly is not allowed. B. You should whisper in the library. Speaking loudly is not allowed. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Should is the correct answer because it advises or recommends a behavior, while must also indicates necessity. Should is more appropriate for suggesting proper conduct. A. They could take the express train if they want to arrive early. B. They must take the express train if they want to arrive early. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Could is the correct answer as it indicates an option or possibility available to them. Must implies an obligation, which does not fit the optional nature of taking a train.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.